Melissa with North Carolina Cooperative Extension, Edgecombe County Center. Helping me today is our summer intern, Grayson.
Hey guys.
And in this video, we will be demonstrating the gas balloon experiment from the Pop Bottle Science Experiment Book. If you are registered for the Pop Bottle Experiments through our 2020 Summer Fun program, you will have the experiment book, vinegar, and baking soda to follow along. So let's get started.
So our supplies needed will have your balloon, your 1 tablespoon of baking soda, and your white vinegar. And today we will be using the vinegar bottle itself instead of our pop bottles to prevent any air from escaping.
Since we are using the vinegar bottle itself instead of the pop bottle for this experiment, the first step will be to pour out half of your vinegar bottle. With a partner nearby ready with the balloon, the next step will be to pour in your 1 tablespoon of baking soda. As the vinegar, an acid, and baking soda, a base, mix, they will fizz to create a gas. That gas is what fills your balloon. This gas is called carbon dioxide. It has fast-moving molecules that take up a lot of space and expand, thus blowing up the balloon. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for when we decided to let that gas out of our balloon.